Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired home decor is a decorating style that draws inspiration from past decades, especially from the 1920s to the 1970s, and blends old-fashioned charm with modern comfort. Unlike pure vintage or antique styles, vintage inspired means the pieces may be newly made but designed to look like they are from an earlier time. Key features of vintage inspired home decor: furniture with character, carved silhouettes, cloth legs, and distressed finishes. Reproductions of mid-century modern chairs or French Provençal sofas. Painted or decomposed wooden furniture with on-edged. Use retro and nostalgic accents like old clocks, rotary phones, typewriters, radios, or tin sign, milk glass, mercury glass, or ceramic vases. Vintage style mirrors, wall sconces, and picture frames. Artwork and wall decor use botanical prints, vintage advertisements, black and white photos, framed old maps or children's books, illustrations, gallery walls with mixed framed style. Repurposed or upcycled pieces, a vintage suitcase turned into a coffee table, wooden cradles as shelving, old chairs or windows used as wall decor. Atmosphere and feeling. Vintage inspired decor creates a cozy, nostalgic, and romantic atmosphere. It often evokes the warmth of grandparents' home, a countryside cottage, or a bygone era filled with character and history. What to use it? This style works beautifully in living rooms. Think tufted sofa and lace curtains. Bedrooms. Floral bedding, antique style vanities, kitchens, richer appliances, enamel art, and gingham fabric. Entryways, console tables with framed vintage photos and mirrors. Vintage inspired decor is not about perfection, it is about soul, charm, and bringing old world beauty into modern living in a way that feels intentional and heartfelt. Let's go deeper into vintage inspired home decor, its philosophy, historical roots, emotional appeal, materials, and how to make it work in modern spaces. Philosophy behind vintage inspired decor. Vintage inspired home decor is not just a look, it is a feeling. It celebrates the charm of earlier decades without being limited by them, instead of using actual antiques, which can be costly or fragile. This style lets you recreate your look and spirit of the past using accessible modern features with vintage design elements. It is about simplicity over slickness, warmth over minimalism, storytelling through objects. Historical influence. Vintage inspired decor often borrows from 1920s to 1930s Art Deco. Mirrored furniture, bold geometric patterns, and metallic finishes. 1940s to 1950s Romantic cottage uses floral fabrics, pastel hues, ruffled beading. 1960s to 1970s retro used bold colors, funky patterns, low furniture, and totemic shapes. Mid-century modern, clean lines, thick wood, tempered legs, mustard, and olive tones. You can choose a specific era or focus on or mixed eras for an eclectic and personal touch. Textures and materials to create an authentic vintage inspired feel. Layer this to stage out painted and sanded furniture or floors. Oak iron, vintage style bed frames, mirrors and candle holders, glass and crystals, cut glass vases, vintage lamps and glass knobs. Fabrics, lace, crochet, chenille, linen, velvet and ticking stripes. Emotional and sensory appeal, vintage inspired decor speaks to the soulful and sentimental side of home decorating. It brings in nostalgia, reminding you of your grandma's kitchen or an old photo album. Comfort, plus chairs, soft lighting and warm tones. Timelessness, classic design never really goes out of style. Sides like a own armchair, smells of dried lavender in a shaded or a touch of lace curtains all contribute to its multisensory richness. How to incorporate it in a modern home? Here is how you can blend vintage with today. Balance is key. Pair a vintage look cabinet with sleek lighting. Use retro wallpaper on a single accent wall. Display old books and new candles together on a shelf. Use reproductions. Not everything has to be antique. A store like IKEA, Wayfair, and thrift shops often carry modern items made to look old. Fox-aged mirrors, vintage-inspired clocks, or reproduction animal art, as like DIY and upcycle. Turn an old ladder into a towel rack. Paint and distress modern furniture to make it look older. Use messengers as pendant lights or storage. Thrift and treasure hunt. Flea markets, estate sales, and online marketplaces like Stay or Facebook Marketplace are treasure troves for vintage-inspired finds. Popular vintage-inspired themes. You can also personalize your vintage-inspired decor based on your taste. Here are a few popular styles within French vintage key elements, ornate mirrors, candle arts, soft linen and gold accents. Cottagecore vintage key elements, botanical prints, floral quilt and rustic oats. Rustic vintage, burnt oak, galvanized metal and earthy tones, olive dragon silk, velvet, liquid furniture, glam finishes, ritual pop vintage, bright colors, funky furniture and automatic patterns. Vintage-inspired home decor is not just about copying the past, it is about honoring it while making it your own. Each piece can tell a story, stir a memory, or simply add warmth and personality to your space. Aesthetic layers of vintage-inspired decor. Vintage-inspired spaces are rich in layers that create this warmth and personality. These layers are not just visual, they evoke memories, textures, and moods. Visual layer. Use faded floral, tall prints, and gingham checks, antique lace. Material layer is metals, crackled prints, hand-drawn pottery, and reclaimed wood. Sentimental layer, heirloom style items, black and white family photos, and vintage tints. Time layer, a blend of vintage eras, mixing pieces from the 1930s, 1950s, or 1970s. Why people love it? Emotional and symbolic value. Vintage and spa decor is not just about beauty, it is deeply emotional and symbolic. Comfort and nostalgia. It reminds many people of childhood, grandparents' homes, or simpler times. Imperfect beauty. Items with scratches, patina, or faded colors tell a story to time passing. Romance and soulfulness. Curved linens, soft lights, and faded tones create a poetic and dreamy feeling. Mindful living. Decorating with vintage and inspired pieces encourages appreciation for craft, history, and reuse. Room by room ideas. Here is how vintage and spa decor can transform each room. Living room. Use floral slip-covered sofas or tufted velvet chairs. Use gallery wall or black and white family photos. Use lace curtains, vintage candle sconces, antique trunks as coffee tables. Dining room. Use mismatched chairs around the distress or table. China cabinets with displayed floral dishes, iron candelabras, and linen table runners. Bedroom. Use iron or carved oak bed frames, ruffled or embroidered bedding, vintage suitcases stacked as nightstands. Bathroom. Use pedestal sinks and clawfoot tubs, vintage style mirrors and towel racks. Use amphitheater jars, porcelain soap dishes. Kitchen. Open shelves with enamel pots, glass jars, and floral plates. Use gingham curtains, vintage sign, bakery, and groceries. Reproduction retro appliances like mint green or red freezers. Tips to achieving the look. Start with on-pit. A vintage inspired mirror or floral armchair can set the tone. Mix and match. Combine old and new, light and dark, soft and hard. Use texture wisely. Combine metals with wood, fabric with glass, rough with smooth. Don't overcrowd it. Let each piece breathe. Avoid making the space feel like a museum. Add natural elements like dried lavender, fresh flowers, oven baskets. This grounded the space in rustic charm. Where to find vintage inspired beaches, thrift stores, and flower markets for authentic treasures with patina. Etsy and eBay for handmade or vintage looking crafts. Modern brands, Jara Homes, Ace and M Home, Urban Outfitters, IKEA with a vintage twist. Popular color palettes, romantic vintage, rose pink, cream, faded lavender, and soft gold. Rustic vintage, burnt orange, forest green, distressed brown, and ivory. Coastal vintage, seafoam, sand, white washed blue, and chip-topped gray. Farmhouse vintage, chalk white, shush green, beige, and barn gray. Vintage inspired home decor is like decorating with memories. It is rooted in authenticity, comfort, and the beauty of lived-in elegance. Whether it is a floral teacup, a lace curtain, and a chipped cabinet door, it all contributes to a world that feels warm, crowded, and deeply personal. Stylistic expression. Vintage looks in different modes. Vintage in a home decor is not just one style, it is a language that speaks in many dialects depending on the mood, memory, or culture you are trying to evoke. Romantic vintage inspired by Victorian, Edwardian, or 1940s decor. Look, lace, ruffles, rose patterns, antique white, glass pink, and pearl details. Feel feminine, dreamy, and gentle. Symbolism, elegance, purity, and romantic nostalgia. Rustic country vintage inspired by farmhouse homes from early 20th century America or Europe. Look, reclaimed old enamelware, iron hooks, laid fabrics, and weathered textures. Feel humble, grounded, and homespun. Symbolism, simplicity, family, and rootedness. Bohemian vintage inspired by 1960s to 1970s. Boho counterculture. Look, mimicry, rings, low setting, earthy tones, and folk patterns. Feel free spirited, artistic, and soulful. Symbolism, freedom, rebellion, inner peace. Vintage in a home decor is more than just a trend, it is a gentle rebellion against the coldness of modern minimalism and the throwaway culture of fast living. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.